Okay, let's start a live conversation with Gemini here at the Google AI Studio. So first we're gonna click on Stream Real Time, and for this conversation we're gonna enable the code execution tool as well. So let's start that. Hello there, Gemini.
Hello there. I'm ready to assist you.
I want to know the top 10 Tom Cruise movies, and I want them ranked by runtime in milliseconds.
Okay, I can help with that. I will find the top 10 Tom Cruise movies and rank them by runtime in milliseconds. Okay, I've ranked the top 10 Tom Cruise movies by runtime in milliseconds. The Last Samurai has the longest runtime, and Top Gun and Mission Impossible have the shortest runtime, tied for last place. Do you have any other questions about the data?
Yes, please. I want you to display a chart from this data using Matplotlib, including the moving titles and duration showed on each bar.
Sure, I can create a bar chart with the movie titles and durations displayed on each bar. Okay, the bar chart is displayed with movie titles and their durations in minutes on top of each bar. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding this chart?
It looks amazing. Can you do some editing in that chart? So I want to highlight the longest movie in red, and all the other movies must be in green.
Yes, I can certainly modify the chart to highlight the longest movie in red and the others in green. File input underscore file underscore 0.png of size 117,183 bytes is now available in the current working directory for the code interpreter. Okay, the chart is updated with the longest movie, The Last Samurai, highlighted in red, and all the other movies in green. Is there anything else I can do with this chart or anything else? Great, the image shows the chart with the requested color changes. Is there anything else you would like to modify about this chart or any other questions I can help you with?
That's all. Thank you so much, Gemini.
You're very welcome. If you have any more requests or questions in the future, feel free to ask.